Hi everyone, Heather here from Loving Our Age. And I know how much you love my styling videos. You know, the ones where I show the befores and the afters, and a lot of times I'm talking about mistakes. And just recently I did one on mistakes with wearing, pants and bottoms, and you loved it. There was a great reaction to it. So I thought, well, what am I going to do today? And I thought, why don't I do that on the tops, the tops and the blouses, and how a lot of women, in my own opinion, again, this is just my own opinion, they do make mistakes wearing them. So I'm going to show you the styling tips. I can't wait to show you this video. As I said before, I want to be kind of like a personal stylist for you. So let's get started with tip number 1. Now, this is a style that, although popular, I think it's a styling mistake. It's the bib-like untucked shirt hanging under a vest. This floppy material gives no shape and actually gives attention to my belly and puts an emphasis on it. Better to just tuck the shirt inside, and for this I suggest that you're wearing big undies and actually tuck the shirt neatly inside before putting the vest over top. Now, doesn't this look more put together? Just because we see a lot of this style on social media doesn't mean the trend works for us. And as usual, I will have information on items like that vest that I'm wearing. It's one of my favorites, underneath the video description and also in the comments. And also, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, do you know that we have a section there with gifts for her and also gifts for him? And a lot of them are under $30. So it's a great place to check out. All right, so next we're on tip number 2. Another style that I'm seeing a lot lately are the silk skirts. And unless you're a size 0, there's no way you should be tucking any top into this type of skirt. It's just too messy looking, even if you tuck that shirt into your undies. Silky skirts are tricky, and you could simply wear the same shirt over top of the silky skirt and carefully tie a knot at the bottom. And by the way, this lovely shirt is just $31 and it comes in 8 colors. And don't forget to add jewelry to a look like this to elevate the look. And what about these shoes? These are my newest dress-up shoes and I love, love, love them. And they're just $50 and they come in other colors as well. But if you have a skin tone like mine, this color will make your legs look longer. This is an easy outfit to put together for any event or occasion. And if you like styling videos like these and also makeup, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And also click on the notification bell so you know when my next video is out. And I'd like to take a moment to thank all the new subscribers who have recently joined our little community here. You are so appreciated and you're so welcome. And when I see the new subscribers, it actually really does make my day. All right, so let's take a look now at tip number 3. And I'm a little bit embarrassed to show the first one, but here goes. It's the kind of look at me top. Now, I'm not sure why women do this, and hey, if it's your authentically you look, then who am I to say? But in my opinion, it detracts from your personality. Better to wear a lower neckline that still looks sexy, but in a more subtle and classy way. I also think that if you're an older woman, it may look like you're trying too hard. And this red cotton top, the neckline is just about right. The top's about $23. And also I think wearing red is sexy. And the stretchy pencil skirt at $20 and also the stretchy belt is also quite attractive. The second look is still a bit daring, but still classy and chic. And with reference to that low cut, push-up bra kind of look, we're mature, wise women, and we don't have to try to look like we're in our 20s anymore. And stay tuned till the end of this video, where I'm going to talk about that and how to have a little bit more self-esteem without really trying to look like we're so many decades younger. Anyway, we're on tip number 4. It's all about balance. If you're enjoying the trending wider pants this season, that's great. But let's not match a wide top with the wide pants, or you're just going to look, well, wider. This look just is too bulky and baggy and doesn't balance me out at all. Now these Teresa NYDJ pants are stretchy and comfy, and last time I checked they were 51% off for just $58. But they look much better with more of a body skimming top as I'm wearing here. I think most women can wear the wide leg pants, but the type of top you wear really matters. And you kind of can do a vice versa on that balancing, as I'm showing here. As you can see, I'm wearing leggings, which are slimmer, and then I have more of a bulky top on top. So that works as well. Oh, and by the way, I love that top. I have it in 2 colors and it's only $33. All right, so let's get on to tip number 5. Many women today are still wearing the kind of dowdy look, with the floros and the bow. To me, this is a throwback from the yuppie looks many of us wore in the 90s. Some women may even dig this blouse out of their closet because they spent so much money on it. But it's time to retire that look because I think it's aging you. Better to go with a pattern and style that is trending. And this animal print does just that. And yes, you can wear your leopard print tops again. Just be sure to maybe only wear them about once a week and not overdo it. And by the way, if you're thinking of buying any of the items that I just mentioned, don't forget to check out the size chart. You'll want to know your measurements, especially in the bust area, and compare them to every item that you order. Now, I noticed that since I've mentioned this, the returns are a lot less, so I'm really happy that a lot of you are getting it right the first time. All right, so let's look at the next tip. Oh, and by the way, the next tip, it's about wearing leggings. Many women wear their shorter dresses over leggings. Hey, I'm a big fan of leggings, but just trying to make use of a shorter dress over them just kind of looks off and unbalanced. I also think dress pumps don't work either. Better to look like you tried to put together an outfit with a top that works with leggings. And this top is perfect, and it's just around $20. And, also make sure that when you have a top over leggings, you make sure it covers your butt, because I think that's really important. And by the way, these are my favorite pair of leggings by Belief, and they're great quality for $30. The faux suede ankle boots at $60 is also a better choice than the pumps. And now I not only have a great put together outfit, but also one that's comfy enough to wear at home and also to wear out for many casual occasions. So almost every day we go to our closet and we pick out a top to wear, but sometimes we're picking out something that makes us look dowdy. It may make us look heavier than we actually are, or it could make us even looking trashy, not classy. Anyway, what you pick out every day I think is so important. It's important for your mood and it's important for your self-esteem. And if you're always reaching for that black, oversized top, you're probably feeling a little drab and even uninspired. Why not pick a pattern that lifts up your spirit, or maybe a revved up color like the red back here, and really to kind of feel like you're going from drab to fab. So now might be a good time to check out your closet and separate those ones that don't serve you anymore. Maybe even get a new one or two. And then what I'm going to suggest here is you take your, stand in front of a mirror, put together some outfits, maybe with some of the styling ideas that I have here, and take photos of yourself. And that way you have some great outfit inspirations and you can just sort of grab and go. And for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.